Morning, my dear students. Today we will discuss about diseases caused by germs. Before starting our topic, you all should know about the germs. So, if we talk about germs, or we can also say microbes, these are the tiny organisms which we can't see with our naked eyes. Means we can see these microbes only with the help of microscope. Clear? If we talk about important points about the germs cause diseases in our body, and these diseases spread from one person to another. That's why we call them communicable diseases. But if you remember about the diseases caused by the deficiency, those diseases cannot transmitted from one person to another. That's why deficiency diseases are non-communicable. Diseases. Communicable disease means that can spread from one person to another, and non-communicable that cannot transmitted from one person to another. Now there are different kind of microbes like protozoa, bacteria, virus, fungi, and the diseases caused by these microbes are different. Like protozoa can cause malaria, and bacteria causes pneumonia, typhoid, cholera, and diarrhea. Clear? Now if we talk about virus, these days one virus is too much popular. You all know about coronavirus, na? That is also a microbe, and the disease caused by the coronavirus, you all know about that. Here the disease is caused by the virus. Common cold, flu, chicken pox, polio, etc. There are so many other diseases also that are caused by the viruses. And if we talk about fungi, all the infections of skin, eyes, and hair, these are caused by the fungi. Now we will discuss how do, like here I have told you that communicable diseases can spread from one person to another. Now we will discuss how do communicable diseases spread. Communicable diseases can be spread through direct contact or air. These diseases can spread through food and water and through animals. Now we will discuss about these one by one. So we will start through direct contact or air. Here, if we talk about through direct contact, the germs from the infected person that can get the germs can get into the clothes or other articles used by the infected person. Used by the infected person. And if any healthy people or if any healthy person touch these clothes or articles or the things, the germs that can enter into the body of the healthy person and that can also get infected. This is how germs can transmitted through direct contact. And if we talk about through air, microbes that cause diseases like flu, common cold. These microbes get into the air when infected person sneezes or coughs. And these germs, these will get into the air and these are inhaled by a healthy person and that person can also get infected. Now, next we will discuss how microbes or diseases can spread through food and water. Contaminated food means that is not suitable for eating, or contaminated water means the water that is not suitable for drinking, that carries microbes that can cause cholera, jaundice, polio, typhoid, etc. And when this contaminated food or water is consumed by the healthy person, microbes or germs will enter the body of the healthy person and the person also get infected. Now we will discuss how diseases are spread through animals. Some diseases like malaria, dengue, plague. These are transmitted from one person to another through the animals. Like if we talk about malaria, this disease is spread through Anopheles mosquito. When this mosquito bite an infected person or the person that is suffering from malaria, when this mosquito bite on the body of the person suffering from malaria, protozoa will enter into the body of this mosquito, or protozoa will enter into the mouth part of this mosquito. And when this mosquito, which is carrying the microbe or the germ for the malaria, when this mosquito bite to a healthy person, bite on the body of a healthy person, that protozoa will enter into the body, or protozoa, which protozoa, plasmodium, will enter into the body of a healthy person, and that person will also suffer from malaria. Clear? Malaria is spread through Anopheles mosquito. And if we talk about plague, plague is also caused by the fleas, and these fleas are carried by rats. Flies also cause or also responsible for so many diseases. Like flies always sit on the dirty material, and when or the microbes or the germs that will stick to the body of the flies, and when the flies will sit on our food, that food will get contaminated and the germs will enter into our body. This was all about the diseases caused by the germs and how these diseases spread from one person to another. Thank you and have a nice day.